Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max Class. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates. In this class, we will find the values of following. You observe this first bit, it is of the form cos inverse of cos theta. From properties of inverse trigonometry formulas, we learned the formula cos inverse of cos theta equal to theta. This formula holds good only when theta belongs to closed interval 0, pi. You observe this bit, it is of the form cos inverse of cos theta. What is theta here? Theta is pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. 30 degrees is there in between 0 and 180. So directly we can write cos inverse of cos pi by 6 is pi by 6. So the value of cos inverse of cos pi by 6 is pi by 6. Now we will see the solution of second bit. You see this cos inverse of cos 13 pi by 6. It is of the form cos inverse of cos theta. Cos inverse of cos 13 pi by 6. We cannot write cos inverse of cos 13 pi by 6 equals to 13 pi by 6. Then how to find the value of this? 13 pi by 6. I'll tell a trick here how to write this 13 pi by 6 to simplify this problem further. See this 13 pi by 6. First I'll write pi by 6 here and then I'll write pi here. Now the question is you have to think of plus symbol or minus symbol here. Suppose if I write plus symbol, 6 pi plus pi is 7 pi by 6. But actually we need 13 pi by 6. If I write minus here, this will be 5 pi by 6. Then how to get 13 pi by 6? Very simple. You just think of it how to get 13 pi by 6. If I write 2 here, see 12 pi plus pi 13 pi by 6. So in this way you can write 13 pi by 6. That equal to cos inverse of, you observe this is of the form cos 2 pi plus theta. From trigonometry chapter, we know this formula cos 2 pi plus theta equal to, when 2 pi is there, function remains same. So here this is cos theta only. Now the question is 2 pi plus theta lies in which quadrant? 2 pi plus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. So cos 2 pi plus theta is cos theta only. Now cos 2 pi plus pi by 6 is what? Cos 2 pi plus pi by 6 is cos pi by 6 only. Now you observe this is of the form cos inverse of cos pi by 6. It is of the form cos inverse of cos theta. And this theta, pi by 6 is there in between 0 and pi. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. 30 degrees is there in between 0 and 180. Yes, it is there. So directly you can write cos inverse of cos pi by 6 is pi by 6. Therefore, the value of cos inverse of cos 13 pi by 6 is pi by 6. Now we will find the value of third bit. Cos inverse of cos 5 pi by 4. This problem is also of the form cos inverse of cos theta. Can we write directly cos inverse of cos 5 pi by 4 is 5 pi by 4? Pi by 4 is 45 degrees. 5 into 45 degrees is 225 degrees. 225 degrees is there in between 0 and pi? No. So directly you cannot write 5 pi by 4. Then how to find this value? 5 pi by 4 I'll write in this way. See here, first I'll write pi by 4 here and then I'll write pi here. The procedure is same for all the problems of this type. You observe here I written pi and pi by 4. Now by writing what symbol, plus symbol or minus symbol, you will get 5 pi by 4. If I write plus symbol, you just think 4 pi plus pi, 5 pi by 4, suitable here. So pi plus pi by 4 is 5 pi by 4. In place of 5 pi by 4, I written pi plus pi by 4. That equal to cos inverse of, you observe this cos pi plus pi by 4, it is of the form cos pi plus theta. What is the formula for cos pi plus theta? Cos pi plus theta. Here pi is there. When pi is there, 2 pi is there, function remains same. So here this is cos theta only. Now pi plus theta lies in which quadrant? Lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is negative. So cos pi plus theta is minus cos theta. Cos pi plus theta is minus cos theta. Cos pi plus pi by 4 is what? Is minus cos pi by 4. Now you observe cos inverse of minus cos pi by 4. You see this is cos pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2. Now if you observe this is of the form cos inverse of minus x. From properties of inverse trigonometric functions, we know this formula. Cos inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x. You can write it as pi minus cos inverse of cos pi by 4. That equal to pi minus, you observe this cos inverse of cos pi by 4. It is of the form cos inverse of cos theta. You check that this pi by 4 is in between 0 and pi. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. 45 degrees is there in between 0 and 180? Yes. So cos inverse of cos pi by 4 is pi by 4. So if we simplify this further, 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi by 4. Therefore, the value of cos inverse of cos 5 pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4. I hope you understand this class. If you like this video, please press like button below. Share this video with your friends. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.